Dear students, we are dealing with chapter 11, force and pressure, and in this chapter till now we have defined force, and we come to know that force are due to interaction. Without interaction the force cannot be applied. And how we can explore force, we have defined it. We have discussed about effect of force also, and we have discussed about type of forces also. Now today we will discuss about contact forces. The first is muscular force. Muscular force is the force exerted by the muscle of our body. We use muscular force for our various activities. Animals like bullocks, horses, camel, donkey, elephants also use muscular force to perform various tasks. So if we are lifting, if we are pulling, if we are pushing a substance or thing, that it means that we are applying muscular force on it. So the force exerted by muscles of our body is called muscular force. Now while we are cycling, horses are carrying the cart, a runner is jumping, a camel is carrying a cart. All these are applying muscular force on the object. Now force of friction. The second is force of friction. Force of friction is the force which opposes the motion of an object over a surface. A friction force opposes the process of motion. Without friction we cannot walk on surface. If friction is not there, we will slip down. Example: a ball rolling on ground gradually slows down and comes to rest due to force of friction. If we stop pedaling a bicycle, it gradually slows down and comes to a stop due to force of friction. So by this way we can understand that a running ball stops itself due to force of friction. If friction is not there, it will be keep on moving. But if we stop pedaling a cycle will also be stopped due to force of friction. Now non-contact forces. The magnetic force. Magnetic force is the force exerted by magnets, and you can see that North Pole attracts South Pole without making any contact with. So this is a non-contact force. Example: force of attraction and repulsion between two magnets, forces exerted by a magnet on a piece of iron or steel, is a non-contact force. North Pole repels a North Pole, South Pole repels a South Pole, and North Pole attracts a South Pole. It is example of non-contact force.